Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is G.P.G and this is the Pram project update. So the last update on this project was the pillars or the column installation, which we did the concrete casting. After that, the contractor came on site to explain to FO, who is the carpenter, on how the beams will go and how we want to go. We're going for one phase, one stage, and then when we are done, we take the woods out and then we take it to the next side, to save a little bit cost. So today FO begins with his work, and you can see how far it is already. I have also been on other projects from our subscribers, trying to check out on their building how it's going. So I haven't been around so much to get you from the beginning. So this is how it goes. You have the frame already, so that's the beam plate and then the bamboo underneath. So you already get the, let me say, the shape of the room, how they will look. This is really exciting for me to see how the penthouse will come about, the shape will come about. As I told you, we haven't drawn this like officially. We are just going with the view, because that's my focus with this project. It's all about the view you get from upstairs, and that's how we're going. So as you can see, FO is doing a great job, try to get the measurements, everything right. And yeah, so this is how it's going. So that's one bedroom. All of this space you see is one bedroom facing the Atlantic Ocean, and yeah, that will be the bathtub, the place for the bathtub. And yeah, I'm really excited when I walked in there. All this while it's been an open space, and just seeing the frame of the work, the beam plates, gives me an idea how this is going to look when I am inside, of this bedroom space. And so I'm very excited to see, the planning, coming into reality. Being in a just single room in Europe, drawing, dreaming all this while planning, and being at site, coming to Ghana and seeing that, hey, what I was drawing in that little room out there is, manifesting here in Africa. It's amazing, and you can check out the beautiful views. So as I told you, FO is managing the wood, so as you can see, we are taking the nails out. That's another tip for you on this channel. This is what we do. We are taking the nails out, and we're going to use those same nails. We're going to buy new ones, because we cannot get a lot from the old ones, so we just buy new ones. And so instead of buying two box, we buy maybe one, and then we just see how it goes, and if we need more, we just buy more. But we first have to economize, and that's how we are building. That's what the team is all about. As you can see, FO is checking the levels. We check, double check, and cross check. And yeah, that is it. So far, as I said, I've spent a little bit about 21,000 with this project. There are so many things, there are so many things, I've learned in this journey. And very soon I will come up, with a tip which will help everybody during your building process. But the most important thing is that you need the team. Team is the key. And for me, all of this is experimenting. So I just first want to get this done at least till the plastering stage. And then I know that my theory worked, my plan, my strategy worked. Then I can share it with you guys, and you can pick whatever you want to pick from it. Some might work for you, some might not work for you, so you choose which one goes for you. So that's how it's going now. So if you need FO for your job, send me an email. I'll forward this number to you straight, then you deal with him directly. So I have two strong carpenters on this channel. Like, they all have their specialties. So if you let me know what you really want them to do, then I know who I can send to you, because one is faster when it comes to roofing, one is faster when it comes to decking, one is good with cladding, one is good with decking. So if you let me know, I know who to send it to you. I want to be open, with this thing that I'm doing on YouTube. I'm not going to give you someone I know is not going to help you. So let me know. And yeah, so just looking forward for the siding board, so then I get the actual shape. As for this view, I'll show it to you every single day, on this channel, because that's why I came here. So that's how it's going. So you can see FO, did the boarding, and that gives the shape of this structure for now. Later, there will be more things coming, more features is coming. So the house is 3 floors, 7 bedrooms. Every level has its own kitchen and its own living room, its own, it's all in suite. And so you can see the sideboarding is there now, so you see the shape of the penthouse. After the concrete casting, we still have to go, I think, 5 more or 4 more blocks high for the hidden roof. So we have 2 hidden roofs coming, one for the penthouse and one for the second floor, which is opening as you see now. So this is the dream. It's amazing. This feeling is everything, man. Trust me. Even if I'm not able to finish this house, doing this till this stage alone is everything for me, man, because I never thought I could do something like this. I just wanted to do a 4-bedroom downstairs, and the vision, came. I took advantage of it. I got a right team, to help me to achieve this, and together we work hand in hand. So this feeling, like I said, if I'm not able to finish it, for me, it's everything. It's everything. From here, everything is plus, man. I never thought I could build something like this for myself. So if you are out there dreaming, I know how it feels because I've been there and I'm still there. I know how it feels being in Europe, being in your room, thinking of how you're going to make it here, seeing people having a good life in Africa, and you also want to do it. It's not everything is real, but trust me, if you take a pen and a paper, you can make it a reality. So just take a pen and paper, be sincere to yourself, be honest to yourself. You know how much you earn at the end of the month. You know how much you spend with your bills. You know how much you can save. You only have to squeeze yourself a little bit, sacrifice yourself for 3 years, for 5 years, and get something done. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. All you need is the team. This is what I have achieved in 2 years. It hasn't been easy. It's not easy, and it's never going to get easy. The challenges are there, the struggles are there, but the focus is to get it done, and that should be the focus. The challenges will come, but just stay to the focus, is to get the house done. So regardless of anything, get it done. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let it.